Story time.
On a sunny morning, a joyful rabbit danced through the glowing meadow. The scent of flowers filled the air. Happiness bubbled within him. A soft cry pierced the air. A timid turtle, sitting beneath a daisy, looked distraught. She had lost something precious. The bunny paused, ears twitching. "What's wrong?" he asked gently. The turtle's heart felt heavy. With a trembling flipper, she gestured to her backpack. "My shiny red button is gone!" she exclaimed, her voice quivering with despair. A flash of blue swooped in. The joyful bird, known for her chatter, promised to help. "Together we can find it," she trilled. They scoured the meadow, searching high and low. Each flower they turned held no answer. Doubts began to creep in. A heavy sigh escaped the rabbit. What if we never find it, he wondered. The turtle's heart sank. Up in the sky, the little bird caught a glimpse, a glimmer of red. Hope ignited within her. "Look over there," she chirped. They hurried to the stream's edge, and there, beside a daisy, lay the lost treasure. The red button sparkled like a jewel. Happiness washed over the turtle as she clutched the button. Joyful cheers erupted around her. Friendship had triumphed. From that day, they formed a club, the Button Finders Club, devoted to helping others. Together, they promised to never back down. As the sun dipped low, their laughter echoed in the meadow. Adventure awaited, and the spirit of friendship thrived within their hearts.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.